Instead of you to be wasting money, right, buying expensive favor soap from all those fake spiritualists that don't even work. Now, do you know that with two orange, you can attract favor? You can make those people that have forgotten you to remember you. Yes, you heard me right. There's power in nature. Here in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to use two oranges like this to attract favor, to make people to remember you, to draw customers to your workplace, to your business place. So if you are the kind of person that at your workplace people don't really favor you, your business people don't really patronize you, your brothers don't want to help you, have people that have money but those people don't want to help you, even when you ask them for money they don't want to give you. So I'm going to teach you today how you can use two orange peel to get that favor you want, to make people favor you, to make people help you. If this video didn't, if you do this for like just 14 days, I do not see changes, please unfollow me. Just know that I'm fake if this particular one did not work for you. But if it work for you, do wait to come back and drop your testimony for me. And I want you to write on the comment section that this must work for me. This is how you are going to do it. Get two oranges, let it be cut like this. Let them cut it into 4 places: east, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. Let you cut it into 4 places like this, right? You can choose to remove the inner one. Eat it if you want. Eat the orange, okay? Eat it. You can eat this one. You can give anybody. All you need is the back. Remove the inner, then use the back. And if you are using the back, make sure that it is not cut. Don't allow it to cut. Try to remove the back, but just make sure that these 4 cardinal this thing, they are still joined together. That they still have a meeting here. Do you see it, Abby? They still have a particular place that they are all joined together from this edge where this thing is attached to the orange tree. That's the mistake a lot of people normally make. Let them cut it from the back here, okay? Let it have that place. It's normally attached to the orange tree. So when you remove the inner, make sure it does not cut out. The 4 are still connected. Remove the inner. It is the back you need. You see, it's still joined together from this place. This is the side they normally get attached to the tree. After I have removed the inner, there this back you are seeing. Get water, like your bucket, your bathing bucket, right? Have filled that bucket half. Then put this orange peel inside the water. After you have put this orange peel inside the water, allow it to stay overnight, right? Once it stay overnight, you'll notice that the color of that water will kind of like yellow. Anytime you want to bath, morning at night, especially in the morning when you are going out, fetch small from that water, mix it with your bathing water, then take your bath. You don't need to do any other prayer. Your intention is what matter. Your intention of doing this is what you want people to favor you. You want those people that forgot you to remember you for good. You want people to help you. You want your destiny helper to get connected. Make sure these oranges are cut into 4 cardinal points like this, just as I've explained. When removing it, don't allow anyone to cut off. Make sure that they form that star while the 2 are inside the water. You must be 2. Don't add more than 2. Bath with this. Once you take this bath, I bet you'll notice that those people that forgot you will remember you. Use it. Even that day, if you don't have much spiritual problem, the day you start using it, you can even start seeing that result that day. So this will peak immediately, except if you have some serious spiritual issues that will cause it delay to take up to like 3 to 5 days before you start seeing the result. But if you don't have much spiritual issue, the day you see it, that day you start seeing the result. This is a powerful remedy that I'm giving for you for free. So if you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel. With this, you don't need those expensive soap from those spiritualists. Do this and come back and give me your testimony. Don't forget to say on the comment section, this will work for me. That should be a point of contact. See you guys in the next video.